Open Store 1 dashboard and click on Bundle Products Configure button. The Bundle Product Addon allows you to combine multiple products into a single offer. Enable the add-in and click on Create Bundle button. This will take you to New Product page. Give it a name and scroll down to Product Data. At the top of your Product Data panel, select Product Bundle from the drop-down menu. Next, use the Bundled Products search bar to quickly find and add items to your package, like the cap, sunglasses, and t-shirt shown in our list. To apply a discount across everything at once, keep the discount scope set to bundle-wide. In the fields below, type in your total regular price, set your discount type to percentage, and enter your markdown amount, such as 50%. Finally, you can control order limits by typing a minimum required quantity or add custom instructions for your buyers in the above and below text boxes. To customize an individual item inside your bundle, click the 6 dots icon pointed to by the red arrow on any product row. This Actions drops down an Advanced Settings panel specifically for that product. By checking the optional box, you allow buyers to decide if they want to include this item or remove it from their bundle. The Hide Discount checkbox lets you conceal the original retail price display on the shop page. Lastly, checking the quantity box empowers your customers to select their own amount of this product, which you can easily manage by setting custom minimum and maximum quantity limits in the boxes below. If you switch the individual product's discount type from percentage to fixed, it hides as you get the Settings in General tab of the product, so you can set the fixed price from there. When you switch your discount scope drop-down from bundle-wide to per product, you will notice the global regular price field becomes locked out below. Instead, individual pricing controls open up right inside each item's drop-down panel. Use the discount type drop-down to choose between a percentage off or a fixed cash amount discount, and then enter your specific markdown value in the field right below it to price each product uniquely. After all, save the changes and come back to Addon dashboard. Back in the Bundle Product Addon settings, several display options can be enabled to improve the customer experience. Enabling Display Bundled Product Thumbnails shows product images inside the bundle, while Display Bundled Product Quantities allows customers to view and adjust quantities directly from the bundle section. The Make Bundled Product Thumbnails and Titles clickable option allows customers to open individual product pages for more information before making a purchase. The Display Prices of Bundled Products setting controls how pricing is presented. You can set how the calculation will be shown with the help of given options. You can also choose where the bundle appears on the product page using the Where to Display the Bundled Products option. Enabling Include Links to Bundled Products provides quick access to individual products from the cart page. The Cart Contents Count will include option determines whether the bundle is counted as a single product or whether each bundled item is counted separately. You can see the preview on the right side. It has both layouts of product page and art page. Once everything is configured, click on the Save button. Here is how your choices look on the live storefront. The page displays the custom name, Summer Pack, with an automatic sale badge at the top. You can see the total combined prices updated, and the individual items, the cap, sunglasses, and t-shirt, reflect your exact backend settings. When a customer clicks the Add to Cart button, the entire bundle package is instantly added to their shopping cart with all discounts applied. Additionally, because we enabled the clickable titles option in our setup, clicking directly on an item immediately redirects the customer to that specific item's separate product page so they can view more details before checking out. Thanks for watching the documentation walkthrough.